so I'll probably fall asleep in the plane. But I might even fall asleep here in the waiting area. It's locked in. Made it to Houston. Yeah. Slept the whole way. It's like 5 in the morning. I have to go through customs, wait 2 hours, then fly back to Austin. See you, buddy. Thank you. I'll see you in Discord. Well, I just got home, and if you didn't know, today is my birthday. I normally don't do too much for my birthday, so I think tonight, maybe I just get dinner with my parents and my brother and sister. I don't know yet, but thanks to everyone who wished me happy birthday already, who is going to later today since it's pretty early in the morning. Yeah, it's been cool. 28 years, so hopefully more adventures, more meeting new people. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll catch you later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't